Okay, after adding this connection string, you have to go to the program class, and here we need to register some services. So these two for adding DB context, and I hope this will be enough to create migration. So let's save it and go to the NuGet package manager console, and let's create a migration. Add migration, initial DB creation, press enter, and you can see this is our first migration. We will now update our database. So press update database. Okay, this is done. As you can see, we have blogsite.db. You can browse this DB using SQLite DB browser, using this software. We can use this software to actually browse the database for SQLite.